Hi guys, welcome to my channel, danielrdiary. I don't do vlog very often, but today I just decide to show you my favorite French cheese because we are in France, and of course France is very famous for the cheese. The cheese is everywhere. They have thousands of type of cheese. Depends on the region and what kind of milk they're using. It's a goat, sheep, or cow, and it's an absolutely amazing experience to try the French cheese. But I will show you today my favorite one, and it's everything about the taste, but also it's about how to prepare this cheese, because I don't know if you like it, but I'm a really big fan of fondue. It's kind of melted cheese where we're dipping our baguettes or other stuff, and it's absolutely delicious. And this cheese what I show you today is made by the same concept like fondue. The most recognizable cheese have a name Mont d'Or, and it's made in Switzerland, in France, in French Alps, and it's absolutely stunning. And this cheese, I didn't find this cheese in the shop, unfortunately. I found hundreds of different, but I found something would have the same concept like the Mont d'Or. This cheese have a kind of heavy box. It's not just the plastic or paper one, it's just a woody box, and look like that. I will show you the box because I have an empty box, and this box is solid. How you can see, it's really nice cover as well. You can actually use this for something else, for herbs or whatever. I think it's really nice. And this box is very important because we will use this box to heat this cheese in the oven, and after we just eating cheese from the box, and we have a like mini very delicious fondue. And I will show you today step by step how I'm doing it, and of course the variation of this, what you want to put to the cheese, it's your taste and what you like. I will like this cheese the most plain how it's possible, but I will show you step by step what to do and what you can add. I will work today on a different cheese what I found in a Casino. This is Casino brand. I know this cheese is very well, they are very tasty, they work very well for me, but I really want to try this concept. First of all, because this cheese it's a little cheaper, I think euro cheaper than this one. This is like €4 and this will be like $3.20. Also, I want to see the concept. This is much bigger than this one here, and I'm curious. It's camembert. I think will be very tasty, but it's absolutely the same idea to heat the cheese and eat a kind of fondue style. I can see the cheese look a little different than this what I have usually. It's only just round. It's no bottom, but let's open. Okay, that looks actually very cool, and it's quite strong. I like it. Oh, that's the baking paper, like kind of parchment. Okay, probably that's the idea to keep the cheese inside the circle, and we have a cheese. This cheese is double size of this what I show you previous one. It's double size really. And we just need to put cheese inside the circle. And guys, basically that's it. That's ready to put to the oven. But I will show you what I'm doing next. On that stage, I will put some nutmeg because I really like it. It's nutmeg, it's basically part of the regular fondue because of the taste. I highly recommend, but that's your choice what really you like to put. If you like some spicy peppers or chili flakes, that's absolutely your choice. I will add some little pepper as well on the top, but just a little bit. And another thing I don't want to put because I'm not big fan, but this is the best moment to put some white wine. Like for fondue, I think 100 milliliters is maximum. We just put some white wine on the top. And this cheese, it's ready to put to the oven. We put 185 Celsius for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, supposed to be perfectly melt. Of course, the oven must be preheat. And it's ready, our hot cheese. I will eat this with the Parma ham and with some baguettes, but it's absolutely your idea and your option how you want to eat this cheese. If you like baguettes or crackers or just whatever, all choices are great. How I check the cheese is ready? I just basically press. It's very hot and it's very melted. You can see it's a little over melted. I will just eat this with the baguettes because that's my favorite option. But basically you can put whatever you want. I even saw the people add some smoked fish on the top and mix everything together. If somebody love it, why not? It's ready. It's delicious. And I will show you the results right now. It's absolutely tasty. Let me just show you. That's how the cheese look like. It's melted, it's divine, it's very hot. Now actually we're dipping bread, baguettes, whatever you like, to the cheese and we're eating. Look at that, it's melted, so tasty. Now it's a great moment to add some stuff if you like, kind of Parma ham, whatever it's your favorite, or dry sun-dried tomato, whatever you like to add. This is my favorite option and I prefer my Parma ham in the corner. I can eat both. But look, it's very hot. It's absolutely delicious. If you try to do this in a microwave, just be careful because first time when I use a microwave, why I prefer oven, but first time when I did microwave, I just completely burned this inside. And actually you didn't see it's burned already inside. Outside was nice and soft, but when I opened it was completely burned. That you definitely need to be careful. Also, I'm just curious if I can just use a regular camembert or brie in this ramekins with some baking paper and I will melt, it will be the same effect. Maybe yes. I never tried. If you do, let me know in the comment below. But this is absolutely divine and I highly recommend. Thank you very much for watching me and have an amazing day.